I have this doubt. Uh, First thing, everyone are saying you have leaky gut. That is why you got autoimmune disorder. That is why you need operations and all. So you need to take uh, grain puree, not acidic rich fruits. You need to drink cabbage juice in empty stomach for 3 months. You will seal your leaky gut, and then your autoimmune disorder will go like that. They told me, and I am like, uh, no, eating pomegranate and all acidic rich fruits. You should not put this in empty stomach like that. Say people are saying. And second thing is Graves disease, thyroid Graves disease, autoimmune disorder. Uh, as usual, joints pain. I'm in last stage. That is another story. At least this
So
Graves disease could be healed. Is what my question.
currently, what is your level of pain?
Uh, I couldn't move as usual. I am
So
following
you're able to
fruit diet
walk?
for a way. No, no, I couldn't. I could walk, but I go to a restroom and inside room now.
Acha, but you're okay. So you have intense pain also, no? And
Yes, so
you
but now,
already completed 30 days on fruit, no?
yeah, I completed 30 days on fruits. Um, Now I recently for past 10 days I took greens
Acha,
and
you took grains for past
everyone are
10
saying
days.
yes I took greens. Uh,
Okay, so you should
I
have
couldn't see
spoken
the
to
screen. I
your
couldn't see
mentor.
only the whiteboard. I
No, you
spoke
we
to them.
can. Hmm?
They told me to stick on fruits diet only. Wait patiently, wait. But now I again diagnosed with another autoimmune disorder. Uh, I couldn't see the screen. I could see
Someone is drawing something.
and now
Prerna
I was
ji?
diagnosed with a Graves autoimmune disorder and facing so much of hair fall.
अच्छा मुझे हाँ
Facing so much of hair fall too.
अच्छा hair fall also you are having. You're taking any medication, medicines?
I'm taking medicines also.
Okay. So, uh, and like what medicines you are taking currently?
For thyroid, I'm taking carbimazole 10 mg morning and night. And I have pain in different parts of my joints. I already spoke to different mentors.
You
Uh,
were in
uh,
Ayushi ji you were speaking to, right?
I spoke to three mentors also.
Okay.
Everyone told me stick to fruit diet. It will
Yeah.
heal like that. And someone are saying no, we're eating raw fruits, leaky gut. If you are eating raw fruits, it hurts you more. You eat banana puree or a rice kanji, not fermented, simple rice kanji like that. That is why is it leaky gut really real thing? And do we need to avoid pomegranates or certain fruits like that?
No, no. See, let's not delve into so much like scientific. Let's be like, or whatever we can see, feel, okay? So, first, you tell me like were you diagnosed with RA? At what age you were diagnosed? Tell me your story, how you
I
were diagnosed,
I
what do you feel was the trigger, why did you get RA? Tell me
it's
your journey first.
it is 12 years back, sister. When I
12
was
years
doing
you're
my
going
school,
through rheumatoid arthritis.
uh, yes,
Okay,
when I
what
was
was your
doing my
age that
school,
time?
that time I'm 17 years old.
You're 17 years old. Okay.
Mhm.
And so how did
Um,
can you share?
I always have pain in my big joints, and
Mhm.
yeah, any big joint I use I get pain. Any big joint I get use I pain. But
Acha,
mostly
hip
now I
joints.
have all big joints, and I also spoke to this the that Sarah that Maria Fitzwinter too once 3 months back. Everyone told me your cartilage and all will grow. You stick to fruits diet, but I'm continuously diagnosed with new autoimmune disorder, and I feel fearful.
Mm-hmm. So you said you feel fearful, no, and you also had shared some questions. you know, like you were like fearful, you were feeling like uh insecure about future. And what are the questions that we had
uh,
discussed? What you do for living? What is my dream and
yes, sister.
profession? Like more you were dwelling on future. You were struggling to walk,
Yes,
but you
sister.
want to dance, right?
Yes, sister. I told you now. When you are in pain, how come we can be happy? How come we think about anything? How come? How come? I might sound like self-centric, but everybody in pain will always think about how will I come out of this only now?
Mm-hmm. And you were also very worried
At least I
about
need to
like
be.
future, what will happen in future.
Yes, yes, sister. If we are in, if I'm always in pain, how will I make bread using my? I will.
Or
What will I do for a living? If you
mm-hmm.
cannot go and earn something,
So current,
it can be said easily. See, there
so
are so
when
many
mhm.
people. They are drawing using their mouth. That is a possible way like that. But how come it is possible? Is what my question, sister.
See, see first.
Sometimes I feel like I struggle to go to college, so I quit. I did my college in Karas only, and I tried to work a lot, but I couldn't work. So I'm like, if the life is always going in the pain, what will we do for living?
See, you have been like overthinking so much about future, which is not even existing. See, I was also in your situation. I also would worry what will happen in future after 10 years. I'll be handicapped or what? If I what I will be doing for living, what I will be
I
meaningless. I'll
also
just
thought
be a
it, sister.
burden on
I also
family,
thought it,
right?
sister.
So
Like that, I
so
also thought,
see, no,
who
but
will
today
take
you
care of
see, I'm exactly it. Whatever I thought has not happened. Today I'm completely pain free. I ran 3 kilometers. I was in Gwalior. There I was running on mountains. Okay, then I did my YouTube. I was also earning through my online coaching business. I did online tutoring along with all this journey. Okay, till date, like I am getting food on plate. I did not struggle to get bread, which I was thinking. So whatever I thought in past is not true. So whatever you're thinking about future is not actually true. It is just your imagination. Your stress, your tension, your worry is just an imagination that you have created. Your fear. So that fear is actually causing that insecurity feeling is actually root cause of your RA, not your diet. So you have
sister.
to
I'm not.
first work on that fear.
Sister, actually, my doctor is advising me to replace your joints because you have don't have cartilage like that.
Hmm.
And suppose if I replace my cartilage joints, how many joints I can do? I have pain in all my joints. And what took and they showed me normal X-ray and showed my X-ray, and they told this is the difference you have. And okay, I could also visibly see. Suppose if I even done the replacement, the we fruits diet is not possible because you have leaky gut, and you are keeping an outside that is not a god created something, so that it's not some, I couldn't remember what Ayushi ma'am sold, but when once you implant something inside your body, fruits diet is very difficult like that. I don't know that exact brief what she told, but I remember once implant is there in our body, we cannot follow fruit diet. Is that true, sister? Because
I think sir will be
I
answer to able to answer this better. Think it is
See,
possible to eat fruits.
it is useless to discuss anything if we cannot understand our own questions. You are talking about leaky gut. What is leaky gut? And how
you
it is
they told
caused?
me, sir.
How it is caused? What is leaky gut? And how we can repair it? These are three questions. So, do you know answer of any? You
Sir,
are
they
just
told me
fearful.
when
Yeah, they told you what?
they told me your gut is leaked, so whatever you eat, anything that is anti-inflammatory or needed not, that enters into your bloodstream, and your bodies again produce antibodies, and these antibodies trying to attack your cells. But once your gut is sealed, you don't produce, you won't have your immune system attacking yourself like that. They told me, sir.
So
Also, is true, sir, that if we do operation or was advised to do a replacement, joint replacement, if we have any implant in our body, it is possible to do continue even after the implant fruit diet.
until unless you will understand the cause of your problem and will not try to remove the cause, any surgical operation you have to repeat again and again, because the root cause of happening
Yes, sir.
the situation will come again.
Yes, yes, sir. I already have. That's who told me. I think hip joints also I don't have cartilage. In knee joints also I don't have cartilage. Like that you told me. I don't know how many joints will I locate, replace. But if, even after replacing, shall we continue? Is there any side effects, sir, with implants following a fruit diet?
You just need to replace a doctor.
Sir?
Replace the doctor because
And
he might be
you
giving
are
wrong
okay.
suggestion. You are completely healthy and normal.
So even if doctor says you don't have cartilage, you need to replace it. We don't want to replace it, sir.
No, with fruit diets only everything will
Body
repair.
can heal on its own. When doctor was not there in the past, suppose some 100 years back, there was no surgical procedure available. But we are on this planet from 20 lakh years. So when there was no surgical procedure, so people that time were healing automatically.
So, sir, for past 12 years, I'm in this pain itself, so I feel fearful. I will follow the fruit diet, but wish it cures really. Wish it makes me live without pain. Wish it makes me will live without any operation.
Have you seen in any book that because of leaky gut, watermelon entered in the bloodstream and some antibodies are formed against watermelon? Have you seen any such knowledge, or your doctor can confirm this?
Mhm. So there is no concept of leaky
In
gut, sir.
in leaky gut also, only gluten goes from the gut inside the blood. And when gluten goes inside the blood, then body creates antibodies which attacks gluten. And that structure of gluten is similar to of thyroid. So then mistakenly body also attacks thyroid gland. So this is one possibility. And the cause of in leaky gut, it doesn't mean that whatever you will eat, it will go in the blood. So you will die if this is happening.
Hmm.
So in leaky gut, it thing goes in the blood when you eat gluten. In that case only, it is not open; it is leaky. So, and what is the cause of leaky gut? Cause of leaky gut is our own body makes it leaky. Because the microorganism that lives in the gut, when there are four types of microorganisms in the gut. So if one type of microorganism, population of that microorganism increases, then that microorganism makes hole in the gut. So I can show you by a diagram also.
And Gopiji, yesterday I just tried to have steamed vegetables, and that itself I got swelling. I was completely normal, completely fine. So anything cooked on fire is not very good. And in natural hygiene book also it is written that anything we cook and eat will take us back around 15 days back or 1 week back. All the fruits that we had in past will go for waste if we have cooked food one day.
Hmm. Very difficult now.
Actually, your volume is little low. Can you talk loudly?
Very difficult now. How?
No,
While
slowly.
everyone are eating like how we ate in the childhood, but everyone are healthy. Why it is us?
So God has chosen us some special people to enlighten the world. So we will be giving direction to many others one by one. If everyone will get this problem.
Cause of leaky gut is when we take antibiotic. So at that point, our bacteria, population of bacteria goes down in our gut.
Hmm.
So population of other microorganism increases. So
Hmm.
that microorganisms make the hole in the gut. So to repair the gut, it is essential to maintain the gut flora. Gut flora means to maintain the proper ratio of population of gut uh, microorganisms, because the microorganisms which created the hole in the
Hmm.
gut is still present,
Hmm.
and still body is repairing your leaky gut every day, but it is creating new holes.
Okay.
So it is not
Achha.
one-time thing that leaky gut is created and now you can repair it and it will not be created again. The main problem is flora, microorganisms. So when we will eat fruits, then our good bacteria will replenish, will get the fiber on which it gets its feed. And when body can remake its flora, then it can repair the gut. Because anything which is damage, which is damage to the body, suppose even if cut comes in your finger by a knife, so it makes it, it repairs it. So gut can also be repaired. But the thing is that cause is still there. And whatever your doctor is suggesting will not repair the gut lining. The leaky gut is on the gut lining. And why doctor is not suggesting this thing? Because this thing is told by a patient. Because she was in that situation. So she repaired her situation, she cleared from her situation, then she became famous by writing a book. And your doctor could not just read that book because your doctor just read the book of his syllabus.
Hmm.
You got it or not? See that book.
Yes.
This is Julie Daniluk.
Meals that heal inflammation.
So
Right.
her gut was also leaky. So she understood the position. She went through doctor's treatment and she could not find any cure. Then she took her health in her hand, and then
Hmm.
she cured herself, and then she became mentor for people.
So this is how she's earning a living also.
Yeah. So she came out of a situation that now she is more affluent
Strong.
also from doctors because doctor is not doing anything. Doctor is just doing common thing.
Hmm.
They don't have the unique knowledge because if somebody is MBBS, another is also MBBS, so they both have same knowledge.
Sir, one doctor had also come to me for consultation. She was physiotherapist and she
Yeah.
had information about RA also.
So
So
if you are dealing with your condition, then you are becoming a doctor if you are successfully treating it.
so we become
So,
doctor for doctors.
so you will become next gen doctor.
Yes. And Gopiji, this is answer to your first question also. Like why we only got this RA and everyone are healthy. Sir, before I also took lot of antibiotics. Maybe because of that, my gut flora got damaged. All bad bacteria started to build up. Like all teeth treatment, they would give lot of antibiotics.
Hmm.
So because of that microflora change, now with fruits, gut microflora has replenished. So bad bacteria. So that's why my leaky gut got healed and no longer inflammation
Hmm.
in body. So even if there is little, I'm able to immediately my body is recovering fast. So even if there is little inflammation, there is pain here and there. I sleep, I wake up, other day there is no pain. So I've not taken any medication like for more than 130 days now. And I'm doing perfectly
I
fine.
read this book 10 years back because you were going to ask me this question 10 years ahead.
See, thank you to sir also. Because of this book he read 10 years back, today we are getting the benefit of it. So I also understood today the connection of leaky gut. I knew leaky gut is some cause of this problem, but I did not know exact logical approach. So any more question you have, Gopi ji?
No, sister. I also have this question, sister. Sir, it is said that pomegranates are acidic. You should you should not eat that in empty stomach like that. Sir, saying is that
What you are eating right now?
for past 10 days I'm eating rice, sir.
You are eating rice
Rice is more acidic.
and you are concerned about pomegranate.
Pomegranate is better
And
than
that is
rice.
what no what they are saying is rice kanji is low acidic then pomegranates.
They will also say eggs are good. Eat. For me, my
You
doctor had
you
told
ask
eat eggs.
your doctor one thing. Have you ever
Tall and
no
all.
no you before listening to your doctor, just ask him one question, that you ever healed a single patient?
Hmm.
He will say no. Why you are listening to that crap? If somebody could not heal any patient in his whole life, why you are
Okay.
let other people listen to it? Why you are wasting your time?
Okay, sir. Then I also have this doubt. Please don't mistake me for asking like this. Do really joints fruits is enough, sir? You don't want dal.
Maybe nutrition was.
We are designed to eat fruits. We can eat only fruits and become healthy.
How did you decided to come to this and accept this? Because, for example, if 10 people are there, 9 people are saying you need to eat dal, rice, dal. Dal has protein. Uh, I'm also vegetarian, so I in childhood I was compelled to drink milk, but I don't like, so I stopped. But now it is, why should we need to do sin to other living beings? Is what I personally felt, and I left this there before I finding a EFH, because I was going through a pain, so I felt like other living beings also will have a pain like that. But the question is, when everyone around you are saying dal, how did you accepted this? This is the truth. This is the true path like that. How, what made you to
See,
accept this, sir?
I just understood one thing in my life, that everyone is duffer. So I am convinced by this
Everyone
thought
is
Duffer means
that
mad. All are not on right
okay.
path.
okay, so I am just convinced of this one thought. So now what is my situation, that I have to, before accepting anything, I have to test it on my own. I will not believe anybody. So if we think that dal is essential for our body, I will eat dal only and see its effect. If it will do good for me, then I will eat dal. Why I will listen to anybody? Why I will eat fruits? And if it is not working for me, then I will change. Then also why I will listen? Maybe I will heal. So I have to experiment for that. You don't believe. So maybe Seema is telling a lie that she is pain free. Maybe. So
Seema sister.
why we will believe? Everybody can be a fraud. Everybody
No,
can
no,
be a liar.
I'm not trying to say like that, sir.
No,
Because
no, you are not saying this. I am telling you to behave like this, that don't believe
Ah.
anybody, even your mother, father, anybody. And
Sir,
You're
then
one
saying
question.
don't believe us also, you follow it and you
you
experience
have
it.
to experiment it. Suppose I said Seema that raw vegetable is okay, boiled vegetable is okay, but yesterday she ate and then she saw the
Swelling,
swelling. So now
finger swelling.
we have a new understanding that no, boiled vegetables are not okay. So we have to experiment that, or otherwise, how will we know this? So
And Gopiji,
we all are here scientists by nature, by working, by act, because we are trying. If somebody says that he is scientist and he never tried, he never have that problem which we want to know from him, then what is the use of his science? Because he is never the victim, nor he tried any new protocol. So what is, if suppose he tries on rat, suppose he tries on animal, then what is the use? We are trying on humans. We are trying on ourselves. We have first-hand experience. Why? Suppose I tried on Prerna and now I am telling to you. Then it is a second-hand experience. You try on yourself. Eat dal, eat protein, and then see your healing, whether it is working or not. Why relying on me? Why relying on fruits? And if
No,
you
sir.
get it that it is not working, then put cross on it. Oh, it
mm,
is not working. Why you are fearing to not put cross? Why you are listening to others?
Okay, sir. Sir, another
and
question, sir. Uh, is there is a anyone who followed more than 2 years who suffered from joints pain? I mean, like multiple joints. Even small work they do, they get pain. They couldn't bear a small weight in their. They simply sit and eat, no pain. But when they do little work, they get pain in their joints, big
yes,
joints.
we have
There is anyone.
Anantaji.
Hey, why you are asking this question?
Mm,
Uh, to get myself feel relieved. Oh, there is a way. So let's stick to this with the hope.
No,
Like,
you have to change your thinking pattern.
mm,
Gopiji, my joints in fact got stronger with
No,
fruits.
you don't need to tell her. You have a different conviction, different mindset. You are waiting somebody to heal first, then you will see him or her, or somebody to fall.
uh-huh.
You are
Not
not
somebody.
why you are not sticking to your own experience?
I tried for 2 months, sir. I spoke to you too, sir. But still, I couldn't walk now. That is why I thought, is there is anyone for 2 years they continued eating and they got relief like that?
See, if you are trying to heal, then you will not heal. You have to first understand that fruit is your food. You are designed to eat fruits. Suppose there is a monkey,
Okay, sir.
okay, who is president of US
Okay, sir.
and who is most eligible person, very beautiful. And your father wants to marry you to the monkey.
Mm,
And you are also thinking that he has so many resources, so many money, so much power, so many people around him. So you can marry him. What is the issue?
mm. Couldn't
But
understand, sir.
there is a monkey who is president of United States of America.
Mm,
Okay, in place of Donald Trump. Okay, got it?
okay, sir.
You are
Why should I?
thinking of your future. The monkey is ready to marry you. Your father is ready to marry you with that monkey. Why you are nodding like this? What is the issue?
How will humans marry?
Because you are human
Yes, sir.
and you cannot make children with monkey.
Okay, sir.
So it does not belong to your species.
Okay, sir.
In the similar way, anything other than fruit does not belong to you. If somebody says it is a superfood, it will bring so many health, so many things, so many whatever, what, blah, blah, blah. It does not mean anything. You are designed to eat fruits, whether you heal, whether you don't heal. Why counting days? You are designed to eat fruits, so you have to eat fruits. That's it. That is so simple. Now, if you are eating fruits and you are not healing, then it doesn't mean that you have to eat something else. Then we have to work on something else along with eating fruits. It means you are lacking somewhere else. Fruit is your diet. It will help you heal. But there is some obstruction in your mind, in your work, that is not allowing you to heal. Hmm?
Especially the fear and insecurity feeling. You have to be happy in present and have faith and belief that this fruit is healing me and my future is also very bright and beautiful and I'll be healthy and earn a very good living
You
compared to
don't have
others.
to believe that your future is bright and your future is bright.
Yeah, it's bright.
Because you are going to have an experience that nobody has. No doctor has that experience because they never healed any patient like you. You meet every doctor in this world. Nobody has that experience to heal you. Now you can heal that person, which nobody can heal. If you can fix a machine which nobody can fix, then where is the future? Future lies in you. And they can't have that experience because they are not in that position, because they don't have that problem.
They just have some bookish knowledge. We have the real life experience. So people will come to know, learn from me. They will want to listen from us who have also already been through very difficult situation. So don't see rheumatoid arthritis as a curse. Look at it as a blessing that
Hmm.
you are blessed by this situation and be grateful for this and accept it and embrace it, the current
And
situation.
listen to universe, that what universe is trying to tell you
Mm.
through this situation, through every hard situation to every person. There is a lot of understanding, lot of learning comes in his life. If we are going through any painful situation, we learn so many things. So you have to learn your part. And as soon as you will learn, you will heal. Your, your healing is stuck because your mind is stuck.
So be relaxed and relieved that everything is going on good. Actually, I read in one book also long back that your scars are your stars. So the scars that you feel that these are scars, your hip joints, swollen joints, they're not scars, they are your stars. So they're guiding star, guiding towards a brighter future. So you need to be happy, not fearful, and you need to feel secure, not insecure.
How do you get acceptance, sir? Acceptance, ma'am. Uh, I'm like, no, no, everyone are getting that. I cry, shout out, but how do you have that patience, acceptance, and trust
I
and embrace
I
it?
could see my future. I saw my vision. I had created a vision in my brain that I am walking, I'm singing, I'm dancing. Though I was in pain, just like you, I was bedridden, but I would think I'm doing everything happily, like normal person. People want to listen to me. At that time, I wanted to become good public speaker. So I am standing on stage, I'm talking to many people. So I would visualize that. I would create an image, a movie in my own brain and I would see a bright future. So I tried working on my fear even before, like, uh, even when I was in pain, I learned how to be happy by seeing a brighter future. So that
Gopiji,
is the only trick.
try to understand what you have learned so far.
Mm,
Through this situation, you are better able to connect with others.
yeah.
You can understand the pain now. If you were not in the pain, you will not be able to understand the pain of others.
Mm,
So
Yes.
this was required for upliftment of your soul.
mm,
And there is some ambiguity, there is some confusion, because of which you are not rising to that level. There is some mistrust still. So you have to come out of that. And you are healing, you are preparing for it. You are still not prepared for healing. So once you are prepared, then you will heal.
Okay, sir. Okay,
no more
thank you, sir.
questions. No, Gopiji. Okay. Thank you, Gopiji. Nice talking to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.